Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ppizza token. Ticker symbol is Ppizza, all one word. Name of the token is P space pizza. This is actually the #1 top gainer right now on CoinMarketCap. It was up 900% earlier. I'm looking at it right now. It is up 809%. It's going crazy today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, I don't know why this token is going bananas right now. This is very much a meme token. It's up 813% as we speak. Not much to this token. Like I said, it's a meme token. Fully diluted market cap, $6 million. Market cap, $6.5 million. 24-hour trading volume, $6.6 million. This is on the Ethereum blockchain. They just passed 2,000 holders. Right now they have 2,073 holders according to their Etherscan. There is 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a total supply, 420,069,000 Ppizza tokens, a max total supply. So they have a Telegram. If you go over to Ppizza ERC, it has their Telegram there. It says Ppizza is the next meme coin revolution. They have 1,725 Telegram members. 307 of them are online. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you did want to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps. Find Uniswap and then trade your Ethereum for the Ppizza token using the contract address that you can find on CoinMarketCap, or you can find it on their webpage or Etherscan, which is on CoinMarketCap as well. Just make sure you have the right contract address, obviously. You probably will not have to change slippage because according to their Telegram here, it says 0 tax on buys and 0 tax on sells. So most likely slippage will just have to remain at 0.1%. Maybe 1 if it's super busy, but other than that, probably won't have to touch the slippage. And same for transfers, probably won't have to touch the slippage on there. But just be aware there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when you buy tokens off of Uniswap. Now, according to CoinMarketCap, there's just a little blurb here. It says, the world's first and only meme coin dedicated to the love of pizza and the power of crypto. We believe that pizza and crypto are two of the greatest things in the world, and our mission is to combine them to create something truly special. Now, we all know the story about the guy who bought pizza with Bitcoin back in the day, and they have the famous pizza day. Let me I'll actually try to open it up here, see if we can, I believe I saw it on Watcher Guru the other day. I don't know why Twitter's not really working for me right now. Anyways, there was a guy who bought a bunch of pizzas with Bitcoin way back in the day. He spent a lot of Bitcoin on pizzas, and now that would be worth billions of dollars. So now they have Pizza Day to celebrate the day where that guy goofed up and bought a whole bunch of pizzas. That's how the urban legend goes anyways. I wasn't there to see him buy the pizzas. Okay, so anyways, this token's on Uniswap. If you go over to their official webpage, there is not much information over there. There's pizzas floating around that look like Bitcoin pizzas. You can actually move the pizzas around with your mouse cursor, which is kind of cool on their webpage. You can connect your wallet right on their page and just buy Ppizza tokens right off their page. They have their own swap on here. It says, welcome to the home of Ppizza, the only meme coin dedicated to pizza and the power of crypto. Our mission is to combine them, create something truly special. With the Ppizza token, you can take a bite out of the crypto pizza revolution, join a community of like-minded pizza and crypto enthusiasts. Whether you are a seasoned crypto trader or a pizza lover looking to try something new, Ppizza has something for everyone. Now, you can mint NFTs. So it says, there's a button on their page here. It says, go to Ppizza NFTs, mint. It says, the open edition. So if I click on that, see what happens. I don't know if it's actually even going to work here. It's taking me over to a page, app.manifold.xyz/c/pizza. So they do have some pizza NFTs that you can mint, and they're not very expensive. The price is 0.004 ETH. So far they've had 451 of them minted, and this actually closes in like 8 hours. So I'll try to get this up quickly here so you guys can go check out these NFTs before they close. Now their Twitter, @ppizza_ERC. Slice into profits with our money-flavored pizza meme coin. Joined in April 2022, 4,017 Twitter followers, 278 tweets. So, here it is, right in their pinned tweet. 10,000 Bitcoin may be worth 285 million. And so there is a really old post here saying, I'll pay 10,000 Bitcoin for a couple of pizzas, like maybe 2 large ones, and I'll have some left over the next day. So they're talking about the time where the guy spent 10,000, I believe it's 10,000 according to this thing here, 10,000 Bitcoin and bought 2 large pizzas. So now they have, Bitcoin Pizza Day is a national holiday now. It should be a federal holiday where you get the day off work. But, yeah, it's not. Anyways, that's basically it on this token. It's just a super memed out token. It's up 795% right now. Going bananas today for some reason. I have no idea why, but maybe, you never know. A lot of people are writing bullish comments. I don't see one person writing anything about it being a scam on CoinMarketCap. As I scroll, it's all bullish. Yeah. I mean, lots of bullish comments going on here. That doesn't really mean much, but I don't see a full audit. I don't see a KYC, so be aware of that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.